Okay, boys and girls, welcome back in Altcoin Investor 69. We made backup of NavCoins. Now we are gonna withdraw all of our NavCoins from
Altcoin Investor 69.
in this case Binance Exchange, and we are going to deposit them right over here inside our NavCoin wallet. I already did it with another exchange. Now it's time to make it with Binance. Let's see how to make it step by step in just a few seconds. So in Binance, that it's one of the best exchange worldwide, you can use also my referral link under below this video, so you're gonna save more than 50% of fees of commissions. So when you order some coins, you don't pay 100% of fees, but you just save the 50%, something better. So now we go in funds and withdrawals. Now we're gonna select a coin, in this case the coin is NAV, that's it, just click on that coin, and here is our total balance, my total balance of NavCoin, 89.04. Now we have to put the NAV withdrawal address. Can you see the minimum withdrawal is 0.4 NAV, it's okay. Let's see our address in the NAV wallet, so we have to click in receive. You see, you cannot copy and paste with the mouse. We are not using a mobile device, so there is the button copy to clipboard. That's it. Now we go in Binance. Our address is paste this one. Just for be a little bit psychopathic, let's double check the letters and numbers of the our withdrawal address. NS capital letters, NA, let's see if it's the same, NS and A, and let's see the end, DUCR capital letters, DUC capital letters R. Okay, now available amount is 89 NavCoin. We press max and we are gonna withdraw 89 coins plus the fees, that is 0.2 NAVs. Is the same fee of Bittrex, as you can see. Okay, now we have to click submit. We need our Google authentication code, and that I advise to you to always enable just for be sure. Just click submit, that's it, and once you have submitted your withdrawal request, we will send a confirmation email. So you see Binance has got another layer of security. So we got another email. Can you see now we have over here in the history email sent NAV for withdraw this amount of NAV. So now we can go inside the email. Here it is, the email of Binance. Confirm your withdrawal request. This is the amount of NavCoin. This is the NAV address we saw just a few minutes ago. Yes, it is. So confirm withdraw. If you click it now, verify your email. The withdraw is okay. So let's go in our wallet and the transmissions of the coins, of the NAV coins, it is like 10, it's lasting like 10 seconds. Let's see if it's true. Alright, can you see, you have just to take it easy because they are still not leaving the Binance because it's processing. So you have just to take it easy to this address, it's processing, and this is not the NavCoin wallet speed, but this is the speed of Binance. And you know, Binance, there are a lot of people working with Binance. Here we are, my friend, just like 20 seconds after we made the click, we got a total of 178 NAV waiting. This is Italian, but in English it's waiting 88.84 NAV coins, the same of Binance, because also the NavCoin wallet is waiting for the confirmations from the net, okay? And it is connected, and we can go and check inside Binance. Now, if we refresh the page, should be not processing anymore, but we have always to select the coin, NAV, that's it, let's click it, always processing, so it means that the exchange, in this case Binance, and the NavCoin net, they are waiting for some confirmations. Anyway, just that we see over here 88 NAV coins waiting for the confirmations, we are more than sure that they will go arrive. But so, just a note, because now we are here recording together. Just a note, Bittrex was a little bit faster than Binance. Bittrex employed really 10 really seconds. Instead, Binance it's employing some minutes. Anyway, now that we have our coins, our NavCoins inside our NavCoin wallet, what I told you, always make a backup. When this amount of NavCoins will be confirmed and will be available right over here, you're gonna make a backup of your wallet in the two different ways I show you in the previous videos. Okay, dear altcoin investors, I wish you a great day. If you would like, there is a referral link below this video for Binance, and you're gonna get 50% of discounts in your withdrawal fees, in your order and trading fees. 50% is always better than paying 100% of fees. You get a $10, $10 bonus with CoinBase, and you got also other referral links. Maybe you're gonna use it. If you click in the referral link of Binance and the registrations are closed, it is because like in one day they get more than 200 millions of registration requests. So try to use other referral links, for example for KuCoin or for other exchange. You're gonna save a little bit of fees, usually 40 or 50% of your fees and commissions. Okay, I wish you a great day. If you like this video, just share it, thumbs up or thumbs down if you didn't like it. If you like it, thumbs up. See you in the next video. Subscribe and hit that bell. Thank you. Bye bye.
Altcoin Investor 69.